Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on using the Convert feature on iPad OS 18. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This feature is an amazing tool to use to convert many different units. Where you once would have Googled things such as what is 100 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit, you can now use the Convert feature to quickly find out. Follow the steps to learn how to use it. Convert is located in the Calculator app, so open the calculator on your iPad. Once on the Calculator app, tap the calculator icon in the bottom left corner. Then tap the toggle to the left of Convert to enable the Convert option. You can now tap the conversion units to change units. You can convert many different things such as money, time, length, and many more things. You can type any unit into the search bar at the top to search for units. Select the units that you would like to convert, then input the numbers using the keypad. You can convert many different things in this way, saving lots of time and effort. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.